Want to share your lesson and materials online? Consider getting an IPEVO VZR document camera. Along with our free Visualizer app, you can set up live streaming inside the software, and with the click of a button, stream live through YouTube or any other live broadcasting service. Or go for the one-on-one approach with third-party messaging apps. Connect directly to a student and use your IPEVO VZR to stream educational content. You can highlight important information while using multiple cameras, or try out IPEVO Annotator. Use the screen recording function to record and share later, while you use the pen tool to annotate, along with other tools to better enhance your lesson. For more information, visit IPEVO.com.